Hey everyone, how's it going? Hope you're good today. Thanks for visiting my channel. Thanks for taking the time to watch this video. Today I want to talk to you about how you can protect your camera and also easily add accessories to it with a camera cage. So about a month ago I bought this Canon R6 and it's a great camera. I love it, but it costs a pretty penny. And you know, camera bodies aren't cheap usually. So sometimes I use my R6 on a glide cam to film real estate videos, but when I first got it and I attached the tripod mount, or the mount that attaches it to the gimbal, I noticed that I couldn't get the screw tight enough, meaning I would crank on it as much as possible and it would still shift. Like you could see the base plate after I would move around with it for a bit and it would shift. And that wasn't good. And I didn't want to try and crank on it too much because I didn't want the tripod mount, the thread, to get stripped. So the solution I found was to buy this. It's a camera cage from SmallRig. I think I paid about $100 for it, including shipping, probably less than that. Now if you've never heard of a camera cage before, it's basically an engineered metal frame that attaches to your camera and fits snugly around it to protect it from getting bumped and damaged. It also has tons of mounting points to it, different sized mounting points, and you can attach tons of different accessories to it. You could attach a monitor to it, you could attach a top handle to it safely, not just using the hot shoe mount, but to an actual cage, which will make it a lot more secure, and that'll allow you to stabilize it and get really smooth handheld shots. You could even go crazy, and on the bottom you could add rails which you could attach a matte box to for the lens. This one even has an extra hot shoe mount right here, which is great if you want to add an extra microphone, or in my case my monitor is so big that the hot shoe here it doesn't allow me to attach a shotgun mic here, so I just add it to this point. So I definitely recommend picking one up if you're going to do a lot of video work with your mirrorless camera. So SmallRig isn't the only manufacturer that makes camera cages. There's other brands, but this is the one I picked up. I found it online, and considering how affordable they are, they're definitely worthwhile getting one for your camera because camera repairs can be super expensive sometimes. Okay, so I hope this video helped you. If it did, leave a comment if you want and click that thumbs up button. Even hit the subscribe button if you want to. I usually come out with videos every Tuesday now that are photo and video related or tech, drone related, and hopefully I'll see you in the next video. Peace.